Hi, I'm Udya from My English Diary. Today I'm gonna teach you the most important lesson that related with simple present tense. Then suddenly you're thinking, oh my goodness, this is related with simple present tense, but she didn't teach us to simple present tense. No. I have already uploaded video related with simple present tense, which is type of basic tense. Then first of all, you need to go and watch that video. Then you can come to here and watch this video to take more knowledge regarding simple present tense. Okay, let's get going with our today's lesson. Before then, I would like to introduce you to our lesson plan today. Today you will learn first one, frequency adverbs or adverbs of frequency, both are correct. The second one, how to use short answers in simple present tense. How to use short answers when we are speaking. Okay, let's get going. The first one, adverbs of frequency or frequency adverbs. Okay, here you could see a line, right? Today I'm gonna teach you basic 5 frequency adverbs. The first of all, tell me, what is an adverb? Yeah, first of all, we need to know what is an adverb. Yeah, adverb is kind of word. Adverbs is kind of verb that we can use to specify a verb. You know, adjective is a kind of word that we can use to specify some specific noun, no? So same here, adverb is the kind of word that we can use with the verb specifying. Okay, that is called as adverbs. Now we will learn frequency adverbs. Okay, here line, you could see a line, then upper line, upper side, you could see never. Here, yeah, rarely, sometimes, yeah, often. Then finally you will learn always. Okay, let's know one by one. First one, never. It's happen 0%, which means it's never happen. Never. As an example, I never eat meat. I never eat meats. Okay, the second one, rarely. It's happening 20%, rarely. Yeah, I rarely eat meats, which means I don't like to eat meats frequently, rarely, little bit. Okay, third one, yeah, I sometimes eat meats. Okay, next one, I often eat meats. When we are talking about I sometimes eat meats, which means 50%, half to half. Then the fourth one, I often eat meats, which means it's happening 75%. When you are eating, you need to eat meats. Then I often eat meats. So the last one, yeah, I always eat meats, which means when you are eating, definitely you need to have meats in your plate. That is called as 100%. I always eat meats. Okay, these are the frequency adverbs or adverbs of frequency when you are talking simple present tense, right? So then other thing, how to use these frequency adverbs when we are talking, right? You need to use the frequency adverbs before the verb, I mean middle, subject and the verb, middle of the sentence. After the subject, I always, then after verb, I always eat meats, right? Then you could say like this way, you could take the frequency adverbs at the beginning of the sentence. Always I eat meats. Or you could say I eat meats always at the end of the sentence. However, never use middle of the sentence, I mean after the verb. As an example, I eat always meats. That is incorrect, totally incorrect. Okay, this is the way that we need to use frequency adverbs when we are using simple present tense. Okay, let's moving our second topic, how to use the short answers when we are speaking. Okay, let's go. Short answers. As an example, do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? You will say, yes, I have. No, don't say like that. Give the short answers. Yes, I do. Sorry. Yes, I do. It should be do. It's really weird to you? No. It is really commonly used in native speakers when they are giving the answers, right? Do you have a pen? Don't say, yes, I have. Don't repeat all the things again. If you have, you could say, yes, I do. If you don't, you could say, no, I don't. No, I don't. Right. The next example. Does she go to school now? Does she go to school? Yeah, if yes, yes, she does. If not, no, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. However, keep this in your mind, right? When we are talking about positive situation, don't use the contraction. However, you could use the contraction with the negative situation. Okay, let's go with the next example. Do they have a big home? Do they have a big home? If yes, you could say, yes, do they? If not, you could say, yes, nope. If not, you could say, no, they don't. No, they don't. Okay, I suppose that you have understand all the things obviously, mean very clearly. Then up to today, don't use the short answers. Don't use the short answers. You should have to use the short answers. Don't repeat whole things. That is really boring and that is not correct. Because when we are learning as the fluent way and when we are go through with the native speakers, they are really using this kind of short answers when they are speaking. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.